Hello guys, this is Kosa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're talking about audio. Why is it important and why should you pay so much attention to it? Let's get started. To prove that audio is really quite important, for example, it's easy for you to listen to a radio without visuals, obviously so, but it's really hard for you to watch a movie without audio. Think about that. So most of the time we get tempted to actually spend so much money into improving our image quality, buying expensive cameras. Like right now I'm filming on USR, but I'm not actually investing on microphones. So until I realized it's easy for them to click off from your video with bad audio than with bad image quality. So the reason why I make this video is because I was not quite impressed with the audio quality that I was getting from my past videos. Until today, I'm not yet there, but at least they sound much better compared to the previous ones. So that was mainly because I was not using any external mics. I was just using the direct mic from my cam, in which it sounds really quite bad. And that's mainly because my studio has so much echo because it's just a wide open room with just backdrop and light. There's no furniture on it, so the echo is really quite high. And on top, because I was just using the direct mic from my cam, it makes it so much worse. So until I switched to this Rode video mic, it's really quite affordable. It actually changed my video audio quality. But the problem it was my tripod is actually 1 meter away from me. So having to shoot using it in this echo room, it actually didn't solve my problem until I came across this so much affordable lapel mics, Boya mics. They're really quite affordable. That's the one I'm using right now. So right now I'm just gonna run a test between this lapel mics and the audio direct from the cam and also this Rode mic so you can actually hear the difference. So right now let's start with the audio from the cam. So this is how I sound without any external mics connected on my cam, just a direct recording from my cam. So this is how I sound like. Do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do. So this is how I sound with this lapel mic plugged on. Do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do. Mic check, 1, 2. You can hear the difference, right? So right now I'm gonna plug on this Rode video mic and you can actually hear how it sounds like. Rode video mic connected. Do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do, do, re, mi, do. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. Okay, back to this lapel. So right now, I believe you can actually tell the difference between this lapel mic, Rode video mic, and also the direct recording from my cam. So it's really actually advisable for you to invest a little bit more into getting these external mics. It doesn't matter the price of that external mic, but it actually makes the difference at the end of the day, rather than just using the direct recording from your cam. So that will improve the audio quality on your videos and that will make your videos super interesting. And another thing, I will actually gonna list down all the mics that I actually showed you on my description. And if you actually learned so much from this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification button and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. My name is Costa. This is it.